Jonah Tipi. Kalau John Secretary Nirupuma Teng Hoy lang. Nang taglang mo sila. Bilang samri la gainter. Student doma pini ekdom anirong na pini scooty long po cycle long po. Dagat ana longi malong le. Longi malong le. Okay. And then I don't get pini ke for the first time history in Assam. Like first time, Karibela Autonomous Council, under jurisdiction of Karibela Autonomous Council, any school, high school, including high secondary students, class 9 and class 10 students, today got bicycle. And metric pass and high secondary candidates, all students present here, their meritorious students, they are getting score T. So, credit goes to our teachers. Teachers are each because teachers are God. Studies our prayer. School and school is our temple and church. Kalimana? Ase titik per student lunda upi polo de pidani arong le den madong le. Lasi teacher semar Richard de pita kata wata. La pen ke appearance semanta Richard de pita. Epo pai le mehna petek de na tu scooty long ni ma. Cycle long ni ma. La pen ke mopen MPX hai posam. Pini cycle ke jor ke long ji. Boys and girls. La pen scooty ke jor ke long ji. Ma join le la. Mama Dr. Hemant Biswa Sharma da. Richard Bisa. Because everything is free. Free and compulsory education. Because admission free, books free, cycle free, scooty free. After matric pass, per girl students, per month, they are getting 1,000 rupees. After 12 pass, every girl students, per month they are getting 1,250. After graduate and postgraduate, per year, they are getting 50,000. So credit goes to Dr. Hemant Biswa Sharma. So dari kada pita. Oh, 40. Nah, akhir juga tiba-tiba cipin sarabang. Sobta free admission, free sobta free kadawe, lapen unemployed. Noen se ke jibilage student postgraduate pass kora pisot eloko 50,000 pabo bolise. They are getting 50,000 after graduate and postgraduate students. Suri pocket long gila tumda. Hala suri pocket ke long bang beleg la extra. Mane ke lahai penene service ka churi long le ko mane ke self dependent business माने के सर्विस ने को के 50,000 स्टेट गवर्नमेंट पे नन पीजी दाओ ला सिंबल ना पीजी ला पेन के ट्रिपल आत्मनिर्भर सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट लाता माने यो अनएम्प्लॉयड डेवलपमेंट ते ला तुम फन 2 लाख पीजी फर्स्ट गवर्नमेंट 1 लाख people on 13 ni ke taralang solong cipin start nangron polata. Ta saya juga tahu dari cara bicara Anyway, today free distribution of cycles and scooty program present here. Honorable Speaker Karibela Autonomous Council Raju Tiso, my colleagues, Honorable Executive Member in Charge of Education, Richard Togby, ex-MP, respected Horen Singh Bey, my colleagues, Honorable EM Kritiya Singh He, Mudram Lekhe, my colleagues, Honorable Executive Members, Katerong Pipi, Tilutoma Hasno, Juni Timo, Principal Secretary, Dilip Terang, ADC, and all Joint Secretary, Nirupama Dimongpi, all the division officers present here, media friends, my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you. All this ceremonial distribution program organized by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. I am happy to see our students, parents, teachers, and officials gathered here for a common purpose to celebrate education merit and opportunity. Today, we are distributing scooties under the Dr. Banikanto Kakoti Meritorious Award to students who have secured 80% and above marks in the higher secondary examination, and free bicycle to class 9 students and class 10 students. Government and provincialized school across Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong. 80% above nangi dah stay sta. Mama dah 80% ke long and there above ke pari sirum dah. Abe ma. 80% abe ma dah. Ino ta abe. Scooty long le ma dah. Abe ma. Bidan. Abe ma. Ari sirum le dah jen. All the people on the room read now to my scooty bank on that along the song here. Anyway, Chocolata, thank you and congratulations. This program is not merely welfare initiative. It is a message of encouragement from the government to our young youths, learners. It tells our students that hard work is recognized, merit is rewarded, and education is our highest priority and top priority. I congratulate all the meritorious students receiving scooties today. Your achievement reflect your discipline, perseverance, and determination. You have proved that students from our hill district can excel and compete with the base. To the students receiving the bicycles, I would like to say this bicycle is not just a means of transport. It is a symbol of your journey towards knowledge and self-reliance. You just responsibly attend your classes regularly and stay focused on your studies. The government of Assam, under the visionary leadership of our dynamic and energetic Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, is fully committed to strengthening the education sector. The Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is working continuously to ensure that no students is deprived of our education due to economic or logistical challenge. I also take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts of our teachers and parents. Your guidance and sacrifices play a crucial role in shaping the character and future of our children. Dear student, remember this education is the strongest foundation for successful life. Study sincerely and respect your teachers, elders, uphold discipline and contribute positively to society. The future of Karbi Anglong depends on your knowledge, integrity, leadership and discipline. Let us all work together to build an educated, progressive and empowered Karbi Anglong. I once again congratulate all the beneficiaries and wish you a bright and successful future. So, lastly, I like to especially students and teachers. Unitedly, we want to establish quality education in Karbi Anglong. Education is the backbone of our society. So, once again, all students present here, today you are students, tomorrow become good doctor, good IAS officer, good IPS officers, good politician. So, I would like to request all students, we want to establish quality education in Karbi Anglong. Thank you. Thank you to all officers, education officers, including secretary, principal secretary, and staff present here. So all the students present here, once again, I congratulate all meritorious students present here. Thank you. Conclude my speech.